Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra's Sensations. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour tonight. I want to do it on a sky blue background. This is a 10 by 20 canvas. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would be very much appreciative of that. And everybody that keeps coming back to watch, you're awesome. Thank you so much, and keep those comments coming because I definitely love reading them all. Okay, so we've got sky blue acrylic here. It's mixed 50% glue and water mixture with the sky blue. Mix it all together and we got my base. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a torch here to get some of the bubbles out. And I've only done a couple of Dutch pours. They're actually a lot harder than you think they are to do. I know one of the things I've noticed is you got to be real generous with the paint. So that's my plan. I've got a brand new color. It's by Liquitex. It's a heavy bodied acrylic and it's deep turquoise. You probably can't see it very well there, but I'll show it in the bottle. That's the color I'm going to do. With a little bit of white, a little bit of my lime green that I've mixed up, and some gold. That's the color scheme I'm going to go with. Okay, let's get started here. I'm going to do first color down, definitely the deep turquoise. Hopefully I've mixed my consistency well and it'll be happy camper. And I'm just going to do a line of it. Usually you do a round puddle, but I'm going to do more of a rectangle because my canvas is rectangle. Okay, then I'm going to add some of my lime green. So I'm going to go on the top and the bottom. And some of my gold. Now this is going to be a quick video because the Dutch pours blow out real quick. At least that's the plan. Okay, my gold is going to go across the top. And I'm also going to do kind of through the middle a bit. Okay, now my base color is the sky blue. So I'm going to flood it with some more sky blue all the way around. I might have to add more color. I don't know if that's going to be a big enough puddle, but we'll see as we go here. Generous with the sky blue. Okay, let me grab my blow dryer. Now we're going to make a little bit of noise here. Bear with me. Just going to let that sit for a couple of seconds. I didn't put my white on. I wanted some white in there too. Let me add some white. Now my white's a small, I think it's a 7-ounce bottle. It's got 2 drops of silicone in it. So I'm just going to swiggle that through right there. I don't know if that's cheating with the Dutch pour, but I'm cool with it. Alright, let's blow this out. Now that's one gorgeous color. Love that color. Okay, I'm going to add to this because there was clearly not enough paint. So I am going to go with white right across here. I like what's happening down here, so I'm not going to mess too much with that. I'm going to add more of that deep turquoise in there. A little bit more of the green. And should I flood it some more with some blue? Yeah, I'm going to. Okay. Let's blow some more of that out. Okay, I feel like I need more turquoise. Not enough was moving. Let me grab my little compressor. Let me see if I can get more of this going here. I love my little air torch compressor. Always helps me out in a pinch, that's for sure. This down here is just gorgeous. Needs more up here. Now, let's see if that's enough to get some nice action up there. Gorgeous. Now, is that enough or do I need to add more? I think I need a little bit more. And I know I haven't even torched it yet, so. Torching should add to it too. I definitely knew I was going to love this color. As soon as I mixed it up, I was like, that's gorgeous color. Okay, let's give it a torch. The gorgeous cells coming up. The gold is in here, the lime green, all the turquoise. Beautiful. I don't think I'm going to mess with this anymore. I'll just turn it a little bit for you. Tilt it a tiny bit. Look how gorgeous that is. Alright everybody, thanks very much for joining me. I don't know if that was cheating on the Dutch pour, but it's the way I do it, and I love how it turned out. Awesome. Alright, thanks everyone for watching, and again, please hit the subscribe button. Very much appreciated if you do that, and keep coming back to watch. Bye for now.